How to install Photopea on a computer. So if you want to install Photopea on a computer, then what you need to do is first, you just need simply open up your browser, any browser that you're comfortable with. And I'm here with my Chrome browser. Once you're on your Chrome browser, and you just need simply search for Photopea. After searching, you'll have www.photopea.com. You need to click on it, which is an online photo editor. Now, if you want to use this Photopea, you need to just simply go with start using Photopea, and it will take you to this kind of interface. Now, in order to install, you need to just go with the More section, which is on the top left. And then you will have an option of Install Photopea. You need to click on Install Photopea, or you'll also have an option of Install Photopea right here on the middle of your screen. You can go and install it. Or if you don't find the install option right here, you can also go with the install, which is on the top right. And as you can see that you will have the install app, you need to just click on Install, and it will start the installation process. Now it has been installed. You can go back. That's it, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.